Light was drooping again. Tighten the bracket.
Looks steadier. Beam's cutting through now.
Should hold till harvest done.
Sun's waking up fast. Fields will drink today.
Then let's give it a run.
Come on, boy.
Sounds strong today.
Strong enough to haul all that rice. Let's get to work.
Hi.
Careful now, mud's soft today.
It's holding. Leg pumps sound steady.
Good. Let it walk slow. Let the water settle.
Feels like a big buffalo following us.
That's the idea.
Hear that, Mira? Gear sounds smoother today.
After last night's grease bath, I'd hope so.
She walks like a young buffalo again.
Let's keep her that way. Fields are happier when she carries the load.
A little more to the left. Got it?
There's it. Jam the rust. Hold the light steady.
That is, I can.
Piece is coming loose. And got it.
Off the gear.
Now let's see. Push the gate. Ah, there.
Oh, looks good. You fixed it.
Keep pulling. Gears easing up. Good. One more under this lip. Hear it? She can
First
breathe
thing
again.
she does is spray us.
Better her than the field.
You walk steadier today. You grease the joints?
Last night, and I tightened the left piston. Might hold till harvest now.
Good. Let it carry the weight. Let our backs rest a little.
As long as it doesn't decide to nap in the mud again.
It's heavier than last season. Feels like we're dragging half the field with us.
Clay's soft from the rain last night. Let him lean forward. He'll push through.
Hope the engine holds. We've still got 2 patties left.
It will. He's stubborn like the old buffalo.
Hold it there. A bit more. Good. Sitting through now.
Tension feels right. Want the oil?
Yeah, quick splash.
Here.
Let it spin smooth. The test gone. Run like new.
Temporary
Not
new.
enough to finish the field.
There it goes, damn it.
Engine off.
Yeah, hold on. All right, she's quiet.
Spare belts in here somewhere.
Look at this. Split right through the weave.
Got it! New one!
Good. Let's swap fast before the mud swallows us.
Tell me where
Big
you
pulley
want it.
first. I pull tension, you slide it under there.
Holding up all right, Mira?
Yeah, he's pulling like a stubborn bull today.
As long as he keeps that sled moving.
The gear sounds steady. Maybe the new oil's working.
We'll see after the hill. Give the rope a check.
Got it.
Easy, boy. Keep breathing.